Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in for Detail Culture. For today, I'm gonna show you guys how to use an APC, especially Meguiar's right here. I really do like this, and you also dilute it 10 to 1. You can go a little more than that if you want, but 10 to 1 is really all you really need for a vehicle, and then a spray bottle right here. So, with this APC, we can do the carpets, we can do the upholstery on the seats, we can do leather, you can do the doors, our plastics or anything like that. It can take care of like 80% of the work when you're detailing. Afterwards, then you're just dressing and then cleaning windows. So um, I'm just let you know how far this can go in just cleaning purposes. Doesn't add any protection, so you're gonna want protection after you're done cleaning to preserve your plastics or leathers. So I'll just give you a quick tutorial on how to do this, and that should be it. All right, so stay tuned. So right here, I got a stain in the back seat, and I'll show you how to take it out. So you're gonna need a microfiber towel to mop it up. You're gonna want your APC 10 to 1, and you want a drill brush. And I have a white uh, head for it, and instead of like a softer bristle brush, it's made for carpets. You don't want nothing too hard, or it'll kind of tear up your fibers, and you definitely don't want that. So here I'm spraying the whole seat down, because if you spray just that one area and you clean it up, you might leave a ring around that. So best bet just to clean the whole seat, or at least the affected area, to get a better result. And you're gonna want that to sit. And I got some APC on my little gun there, and you definitely don't want to spray the APC and let it dry, because it'll have like a white look to it because alkaline. So you want the product to sit for about a minute or so, and then come back with a drill brush and just drill around it. Drill everything you need to uh, around the affected area that you want to get done. So after you're done drilling, you want to mop it up with the microfiber towel, and you see you can pick up a little dirt and grime or whatever's in the seat. And then you also want to flip it over once it kind of gets saturated to a drier spot, so it can pick up more of the dirt and the APC off the carpet or seat or whatever you're trying to do. Now over there, you see the little ring right there. So I need to hit it again one more time. So I just want to spray it down, let it sit for a little bit, rub it in if you want. You don't. It's not necessary, but this is what I did. And then take your drill brush again, and then hit it one more time. And sometimes you might have to go like a couple passes to get at whatever stain you're getting at. But for this video, I'm just trying to use just a drill brush, a microfiber towel, and the APC. Normally, what I would do, I would use like a carpet cleaner, and then I use my extractor to extract everything out. But the purpose of this video is just to make sure that what you can do with APC and just like the bare minimum, just to clean a stain out, So if you're just starting off or you don't know how to clean a car, this is a good video just to learn how to do that. And if you look at it now, that little stain there is gone. And that's what you're aiming for. So over here, this is definitely not the dirtiest panel I've done, but you can see there's a little dirt, stuff in there. That gets dirty. There's always crumbs and everything in there. There's a little bit of upholstery on there. You can also clean that as well. So I'll show you what I do. I just use the APC again. I use a towel, a detail brush, and a scrub pad. So now I use the scrub pad first to knock the bulk of the work done. And the reason why I'm spraying on the pad as well, because sometimes if you spray on the door and you don't get at it right away, you're going to have some like drips coming down, and sometimes those drips will leave marks on the panel. Like you wipe it off and you'll see where those drips were. So that's why sometimes now I just spray on the brush or spray on the pad I'm using and just go to work with it. So there's no like dripping or nothing like that happening. And these auto fiber pads are really nice. I should have bought these the first year I was detailing to make quick work out of it instead of using a brush for every little thing. So here I am using the brush. I still like using it. I just use it in the areas that it's like the pad gets harder to get into, like either the little cup holder deals or your window buttons and behind, and then also your handle, behind the handle and all that stuff. And it's also nice to have a little like a creeper seat to sit on with wheels to make your work a little easier, so you can just move around a lot easier. Or then it's better than standing up and then bending over and everything like that. So there's definitely another investment you could probably buy to make detailing a little easier for you. And all I'm doing is mopping everything up with a microfiber towel, getting everything dry as can. A lot of times I'll use a steamer to blow, like everything off, like all the little cracks and stuff. Some residue could be left over, but most of the time a microfiber towel will do. But if I'm getting paid and you want to put in good work, I just use a steamer. It makes the job a little easier. So now I'll show you the finished product. This is just cleaning the door. I'm not dressing it, and it's just gonna make it clean. This is all it's supposed to do. If you want to dress it, then you can put a dressing, whatever you like. And you can see there's some scuff marks, but that you ain't gonna get off with the cleaner. But the door is clean, and that's what you're looking for.